What is going on, everyone? Lab here today. I'm just going to do a quick little video on the deadlines for FBA coming up soon. As you can see right here on the screen, I already pulled it up for you. Just go over it really quick of what this means in case you're a new seller or you didn't know aware of this type of deadlines when it comes to selling on Amazon FBA on the holidays. So Amazon every year when it comes to Black Friday or Christmas, their warehouse gets super packed by every seller trying to get their inventory in. So that's why they put these deadlines to give them a little bit of time to get the warehouse ready so they can ship out all the product as quickly as possible to all the buyers, your customers. So you can see a screen right here that the key selling dates is these are from 2017. Uh, there hasn't been any official like words per se on Amazon on what days it is, but since one of the the Black Friday dates is getting close to what the first deadline would be, I decided to just uh, leave the video here, so at least you're aware of this problem, or not problem, but this situation where you might you might run into later, kind of wondering why you can't get your inventory. It doesn't mean that Amazon won't take your inventory. They still will take your inventory, but if you are trying to get, a good amount of your inventory for that specific holiday, you're better off getting all the shipments in at these designated dates before uh, before the deadline. Okay, so you can see right here. Uh, for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, you need to have your shipments arrive by November 7th. So as of date that we're doing this today, it's already the 24th of October. So that leaves you about like 2 weeks to get inventory in. If you're doing air shipment, you should be okay. Sea shipping, you might depending on where it is. If you're still in China, I don't think you make it because it takes about a month. It should get there before Christmas, which is okay. It's still still good. Inventory for Christmas shopping should arrive at fulfillment centers by December 1st. So that gives you about a month from now. So if you have any bulk of large inventory, let's say 2 or 3 thousand, just one big shipment that you need to do to Amazon, try to ship it out like now, especially for sea shipping. Air shipping, you have like a week or two to mess with, but you really just gonna have to push. And inventory for 2018 should be sent no earlier than December 17. I'm guessing this is to kind of keep the inventory separate. So there's the holiday season packages, and then there's the regular selling off season kind of inventory that you send out. I've like last year I sent inventory after the deadline, but I was still able to sell. Uh, it's just not like I wouldn't get my inventory just took a little bit longer than everybody else's. So I had like a third of my inventory on Christmas, but which kind of sucked. But so I'm just here to give you a heads up, so that way you won't run into that problem. I want to make sure you get all your inventory to Amazon before the deadline comes, so that way you can make a good amount of money towards the end of the year with thousands of other sellers. Because starting next week, November, sales are going to start picking up, and you will not want to miss this wave because a lot of maybe even close to 50% of the sale can happen at the end of the year. I'm not saying it varies, but from my experience, December and November has easily double, sometimes even triple the sales of off-season months. So it's really worth just stocking up on extra inventory. Maybe if on regular basis you order like 500 for a month, maybe you want to consider ordering 1,000 or 1,500. It's just to kind of keep the flow going over the holidays, as you would start seeing a lot of your competitors that didn't put that many stocks in their inventory. They will start one by one. They start going away around the holidays just because they can't keep up with the demand. You don't want that to happen to you. You want to make sure that you have stock in your inventory on Amazon to last throughout the whole holiday. Especially comes to the week or the week before, no, 2 weeks before Christmas, when everybody's shopping for presents. If you're in like the toy category, or just gifts in general. Sorry, guys, with for supplies, office supplies. Sorry, like clothing, stuff like that. People are gonna jump in it towards like maybe like a week or two before. They're running out of ideas. They don't know what to do, so they're just panic searching all over Amazon to see what you can find. And if you have some cute shirt, or not cute, but like a seasonal shirt, festive shirt, or like a cool little tray. I think you can see back here there's a scratch off world map. I know for a fact these ones sold pretty good on the holidays last year. Don't do it again, because right now it's not good. uh, the profit is pretty much dead on these, and everybody already drove the price down, so don't do them. But they were good last year. Um, Stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. I will leave a description. I will leave a link on the description for this page for you, so you can go check it out and read it on your own. But I'm pretty sure you've already read this. Pretty much it right here. It's not much. I already went through all of it. If there's any more updates, I'll do another video about it. But as of now, this is what it is. Like most of the time is around this time. It's no more than a couple of days difference in between then and now. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. And if you do enjoy this video, go ahead and like it, share it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for any new updates regarding Amazon, or just general Amazon FBA kind of type of material content. Okay, take care.